Let's dive into division. Hey superstars, if you're loving math, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 258, which is 2. We're going to use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 5, to join the 0. We're on to the next step. Look at the new number we have, 5. We bring down the 5 from 258 to make our new number to work with. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's multiply 2 times 2 equals 4, that's our product. Subtracting 4 from 5 gives us a remainder of 1. You got this. Woohoo, another step closer to the answer. Time to bring down the last digit, 8, to join the remainder 1. Last step team, our new number is 18. We combine the remainder 1 with the next digit 8 to make 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? It's 9 times. Check our work. 9 times 2 is 18, exactly right. Subtract 18 from 18 and we get 0. We're done with subtraction. Fantastic work, math whiz. We've used all the digits and have no remainder left. We've found our final answer. We found that 258 divided by 2 is 129 with no remainder. We did it. We successfully divided 258 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is a chance to learn and grow. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.